Hello everyone, myself Dr. Tuja Deshmukh. Welcome back to the channel. Today, this video is made on 6 most commonly asked question by patient to the dentist. So let's begin. First question, which toothpaste form should we use? Powder, gel or paste? So, the answer is that we should always prefer paste form. No powder, no gel because they contain more abrasive which abrade your teeth. Abrasion is basically wearing off of your teeth, so must be avoided. Here look at the diagram. On the right side there is healthy teeth and on the left side untreated. Untreated is basically wearing off of the teeth. So avoid using powder and gel form. Now, the next question, second question is what should be used for brushing the teeth? Finger, brush, or any twig? Twig that is neem twig or bubble twig, etc. So, the answer for the question is always use toothbrush as its accessibility is more than the finger or twig and can go in small places and remove all the debris in each and every corner of the teeth and mouth. Third question, which type of toothbrush should be used? Hard, medium, soft, ultra soft? The answer is always use soft or ultra soft brushes for brushing. Never use hard toothbrush. Their harshness may harm gums and covering of the teeth. Soft brushes with tongue cleaner is always recommended. Harsh brushing with hard brush may cause a fraction of teeth. You can see it in the picture. Look how soft and hard brush affect our tooth surface. Soft brush keep the strawberry as it is, while hard one damage the surface. This is exactly what happened when we use hard toothbrush. Fourth question, how much amount of toothpaste should be taken? For children less than 3 years, rice grain size thin smear should be taken. And for children greater than 3 years and for adult, tea sized is used. This much amount is enough only. More than this is unnecessary, may be harmful sometimes if ingredients are that much harmful. Fifth question, for how long should we brush? The duration of brushing. We should not brush longer than 2 minutes. Brushing more than this erodes your tooth covering may lead to its abrasion and damage. 2 minutes, 2 times a day is enough. Sixth question, which toothpaste should be used? In the context of toothpaste, I will prefer to divide toothpaste into categories for caries prevention and for sensitivity patient. If the person having more caries, then he should prefer fluoride containing toothpaste. But remember, for adult, the fluoride content should not be greater than 1000 ppm and for children, it should not exceed 500 ppm. Mostly see in the content that the fluoride is in the form of stannous fluoride. It is most preferred form. And for sensitivity patient, if you are having the problem of sensitivity, then see for potassium nitrate in the content of the toothpaste. This is best for sensitivity patient. For normal patient, avoid paste containing sodium lauryl sulfate, fluoride and many such chemicals as these chemicals slowly get deposited in body and are harmful. Fluoride if deposited more may cause dental and skeletal fluorosis. Children have tendency to eat paste, so avoid brushing through such chemical containing paste. Prefer herbal made paste with no added chemicals. Most of the paste are made by adding such chemical. So do look for the contents before buying. There are many toothpaste which are totally made up of herbs and there is no added chemicals. I am giving one example over here of Vico Vajradanti, totally harmless as there is no added chemicals. There are many more. Do see the contents before buying the toothpaste. Following healthy practices makes your teeth healthy. If you have more such questions to ask, do mention in comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.